Ow! Yeah! 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 I felt that one! You got me! Ah! Not good! What just happened? What the hell? Yeah! Huh? What? Hmm? You done yet? Come on! That all you got? What a letdown! You don't know when to give up! You're pretty good! I'll let you win this time! So that's how it is! Hmm? There you are! Ha! Here! Here! Ha! Get out of here! Try this! Here you go! Choke on this! Here goes! Here comes the pain! Hope you're ready for this! That's enough! Come on, try harder! Think you can keep up? Yeah! This all you got? Having some trouble? Such a dumbass! Get out of here! Hey, you kept up with me! Too slow! You see where this is going? It's time to end this! Ha! Please! Give it up! Hey, quit messing around! Can't believe you can still fight after that! Shenron, come forth! Grant my wish! What happens if we wish for immortality while fused? Heal me! Bring back my teammate! Kamehameha! Gallic gun! Hya! Let's go! 1! Hya! Next! 2! This is it! It's over! 3! This is gonna hurt! Tya! Ha! Try dodging this! Kamehameha! Ha! Kiss your ass goodbye! Gotcha! Find the real one! Over here! Big Bang Kamehameha! You're going straight to hell! Here it comes! Here's some more! Let's see you take this! Down you go! Why don't you give it up already? Try handling this! Yeah! Okay. That's all it took, huh? Take this! This next one's gonna wipe you off the face of the planet! I'm as strong as Goku and Vegeta combined, and then some! Let's do this! It's payback time! This ends now! This is the ultimate fusion! Now! Okay, now! Thank you! Switch! I'll clean this trash up! I'll take care of this! This wasn't supposed to happen! Let's end this! I'm Gogeta! I'm what happens when Goku and Vegeta fuse! I am neither Goku nor Vegeta! I'm the guy who's gonna stop you! I don't need 30 minutes! I only need one finger to beat you! Soul Strike! Rising Vortex! Punisher Drive! Stardust Breaker! Soul Punisher! This is as far as things go! The great Gogeta will finish you off. How do you like that? Here's the finisher! I'm about to mess you up real good. I'm the guy who's going to stop you. Oh man, that really did the trick. I feel much better. Hey, you think you can hit me here next? This shoulder's been killing me. This is my ultimate technique. Fusion! Ta-da! Looks like you can't seem to catch a break. I'll slow things down for you next time so you can at least try to keep up. You're tough, but you're wasting your energy. You know, I'm kind of disappointed. I thought you'd put up more of a fight. Wait a second. My fusion's about to run out.